Hi everyone, this is Gege and welcome or welcome back to Be Colorful. Today I have a kit here with me, not from Tonic Studios, but from Spellbinders. I bought the November 2021 Christmas theme kit because it was in offer. By purchasing 2 items of the promotion, one was free. So I took advantage of it, also to change a little bit and experiment with new things. The kit contains many beautiful things, useful for creating cards quite quickly. We find a set of stamps, various types of stickers, a lot of die-cut shapes, double-sided tape adhesive, foam pads, red sequins, glossy and matte finish, dies. In the insert we find the figures that can be obtained with this set, a set of cards and envelopes, a paper pad, and a set of cardstock. The colors are all perfectly coordinated with all the products in the kit. This is the set of dies that I bought with the promotion. Just gorgeous! The promo is no longer available, but at the moment both the kit and this die set can be purchased on the Spellbinders website. I leave you the links down below in the description box. I also bought 2 embossing folders and this bag of cute sprinkle elements that can be used for shaker cart. Adorable. On another website I bought 2 rolls of foam tape, very cheaper than the 3M foam tape that everybody know. I put all the links down below in the description box. The sites are UK, including Spellbinders website. They also have the USA website. If you don't want or you can't buy on UK or USA website, for foam tape I can suggest you do some research online, because maybe you can buy foam tapes at cheaper prices than the super popular 3M foam tape. When I recorded this video I hadn't tried these foam tapes yet, but now that I'm editing it I can already give you my opinion because I used them. They are great. Excellent value for money. Well, this short video of my shopping ends here. In the next video I'll offer you a lot of ideas on how to use this type of kit. Let me know in the comment if you have ever bought a Spellbinders or Simon Says Stamps kit. Thanks for watching this video, see you next time, bye bye and be colorful!